Today we're making lemonopita. Start the syrup, 2 cups water, 500 grams sugar, cut the skin 1 lemon, drop him, squeeze aside the juice, and 1 Greek cinnamon stick. Put the heat the gazi, boil him for 2 minutes, turn him off, cool him down. Get 1 packet filo pastry, keep him rolled. Now cut him some small pieces. Give him a good toss so it's not sticky. Fix him up 1 tray and pour your filo at the top. Now put him in the oven, 100 degrees Celsius. In 1 bowl, put inside 4 Greek eggs, 200 grams sugar, get 1 mixer. Now fix him up till it's nice and creamy. Add inside your Greek yogurt. All of him, 200 grams melted butter, 2 teaspoons vanilla, and 1 tablespoon baking powder. Get your lemons, scratch him off the skin, and squeeze all the juices inside also. Now give everything one really good mix. When your filo is done, it's nice and dry, crunchy, and slowly we put inside. Crunch, crunch, mix, mix. It should be looking like this. Get 1 dish, paint him some butter, and put a little bit flour so it's not sticking. Get your mix and tip him inside. Shake him up to make him level, heat him to remove the bubbles. Now do your cross so it's cooking better. Put her in the oven, 160 degrees Celsius. 40 minutes, she's done. Now pour the cold syrup, the hot geki. Now leave her drinking half an hour. Cut her up, pick up 1 piece. When life gives you lemons, we make lemon cake. She's bloody beautiful, mate.